Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word evidential. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The evidential support provided by the forensic expert was crucial in solving the murder case. Evidential is an adjective that relates to or constituting evidence, providing proof or support for a claim, argument, or conclusion. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.